Happy Valentine's Day. I am so proud of you guys. Yesterday, you did an amazing job on the mid-unit assessment. The principals were singing your praises at this morning's leadership meeting, so pat yourself on the back because you've been stepping up. So today, I'm making this video to give you some feedback on your evidence logs. Today, you're going to be writing some more evidence logs, and you're also going to be fixing or updating or revising or redoing your evidence logs from your previous texts. Now you're probably like, why are you making me do this? Because you have to use these to write the essay. You're going to be writing essays and you don't want to have to go back and reread everything. These help you gather evidence as we go to make the process easier. So let's go through this real quick. In this unit, see if I can move this real quick. Sorry about that. So in this unit, your essential question is, when is it right to take a stand? Your performance task essay, which you will work on next week, here is your question. Should the government have the right to intervene in Americans' lives to encourage healthier lifestyles? So you either say, yes, the government does have a right to intervene, or no, the government does not have a right to intervene. So over here in your evidence log, that is what you have. On the left side, it says, the government should have the right, and you can collect evidence for that. On the other side, the government should not have the right. Now, you should be trying to collect evidence on both sides, because whatever side you choose to take, you're going to write a counterclaim addressing the other side or the other person's argument. So, here is your feedback. This was a student's work from this year, and I asked that student if I could use this as an example, and that student said yes. So up here at the top, it says objective summary. You are supposed to summarize the text, not give your opinion on the essay question. So notice it says here, the objective summary in the story Barrington Irving is about how the main character, Barrington Irving, follows his dream to become a commercial plane driver, so on and so forth. He is talking about what's in the text. He's not giving his opinion on the text. He's not giving his opinion on Barrington Irving. He is just giving the summary of what was in the text. So that's what goes there. So you might be saying, Miss A, why do I have to do that? So you can go back and remember what the text was about. This helps you write in when you're doing your essay. It helps you write in this particular text, this is what it's about, and then you start giving your evidence. So notice to the left here, the purpose of the evidence log to summarize the text and collect evidence and reasoning to include in your essay writing. So you start by writing an objective summary. Here it is. Next, you collect quotes from the text that support these claims. Not what you think is interesting, but what supports the claim, what makes the claim true. So notice here, the student said, quote from Barrington Irving, the only person who can stop from doing something great is you. He's using that to support the fact that people should be able to make their own choices. Finally, you write a reason for why each quote you chose supports the position. So notice, this student wrote in his why, people should make their own choices to follow their own dreams and goals in life. So he gave a quote to support that people should make their own choices. He gave a reason for why he chose that quote. That is what goes in the evidence chart. When it is time to write, you will come back to these and your essay will basically be written for you. You'll just have to put in transition words. So these are very important, and that's what you're going to spend today on. So again, Objective summary. What is a summary? It gives main ideas and important details, highlights important parts of the text. So 1, the first thing you do, identify the title, the author, and the topic in the first sentence. State the central idea. Give the supporting details in the order in which they appear. Keep your opinion out of it. This is objective, okay? Why do we do these? To refresh memory of texts, to reflect back on important parts, to teach others about important ideas. So the whole point of this is to go back later and be like, what was that text about? Oh yeah, I wrote this summary. It can help me remember. Okay, so today is going to be an evidence log day. You're going to do an evidence log on Ban the Ban. You're going to do an evidence log on SOTA is a problem. You're going to update or redo the nanny state log and update or redo the Barrington-Irving log. If you need to go back and look at these slides, Ms. Butero will be more than happy to show you. But this is your job for today. And again, the point is, going back to your objective, today we will complete evidence logs so that we can write an argumentative essay. We will know we have completed it when we have our objective summaries and our evidence logs. If you finish all that stuff, then finish up your other purple folder assignments so I can start grading them. All right, again, if you have questions for me, Schoology, email, reach out. Have a great Valentine's Day.